I guess today we have to take the decorations down on our Christmas Scrivener project. It was good while it lasted, and the time for planning is coming up. Let's just have a quick look at what would stay the same if we opened up a new project now, without changing template. Well, that image in the corkboard is still there, and so are the colours. Most of that was done in the options, so this isn't a surprise, although I would have assumed the background was imported just to a single project. And similarly, the colours in the editor are still there. But of course there are no labels assigned. The text, as you would expect, is still Vivaldi. So let's go back to my normal theme by selecting it from the list, which requires a restart. That has gotten rid of the colours and background, but I still need to sort out the binder a little using its correct colour. So the template will change a lot back, but things like the default font will linger, and of course anything that was specific to the project, such as icons and labels. Always consider what impact a change will have before hitting the button to confirm it. To see all the Scrivener themes in one video without having to keep restarting, check out this video here.